Welcome to 365 Math. In this video, I'm going to look at a question that deals with functions, and we're taking this question from the May-June 2024 exam paper, and this is paper 4 for extended math. There was question number 9, which gave us three functions, f of x, g of x, and h of x, and part A says, find f of 3. So we're going to take f of x, which was 4x plus 1, and we're going to replace x with 3. That gives us 4 multiplied by 3 plus 1. That is 12 plus 1, which is equal to 13. That is the answer for part A. And then part 2, we have a composite function, g of f of 3. We've already found f of 3, which was 13. So we're going to say g of 13, and our g is 6 minus 2x, which is going to be equal to 6 minus 2 multiplied by 13, which is our x, and we have 6 minus 26, and giving us the final answer as minus 20. Part B, find the inverse of g of x. What we're going to do is we're going to rewrite g of x as y is equal to 6 minus 2x, and we're going to interchange the variables, whereby we're going to have x is equal to 6 minus 2y, and after this we'll make y the subject of the formula. Hence we're going to take 2 to this side so that it becomes a positive, and that leaves me with 2y is equal to 6, and taking x to the other side, it changes the sign. That's 6 minus x. We're going to divide both sides by 2, hence leaving me with y is equal to 6 minus x over 2. This is the inverse of g of x, that is 6 minus x over 2. Part C says, find x when f of x is equal to g 2x minus 7. So remember, g of x is equal to 6 minus 2x. F of x is equal to 4x plus 1, and this is equal to 6 minus 2, where we have x right here. We're going to substitute it with 2x minus 7, so that is 2x minus 7. That's 4x plus 1 is equal to 6. Negative 2 times 2x, that's negative 4x. Negative 2 times negative 7, that is positive 14. Now taking x to the other side, grouping like terms, we have 4x plus 4x, that is 8x, is equal to 6 plus 14, that is 20, minus 1, that is 19. Now dividing both sides by 8, we have our x value as x is equal to 2.375. So our answer is 2.375. Part D says, find the value of h of 2. Now, our h of x is equal to 3 to the power of x minus 2. For the first one, we're going to perform h of 2, and that is going to give us h of 2 is equal to 3. Where we have x, we put our 2 minus 2, and that is going to be 3 to the power of 0, and any number raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. We're going to move over and find h of 1, because h of 2 is equal to 1 as we've just calculated. So now we're finding h of 1, and that is going to give us 3, where we have x, so now replacing it with 1, and we have 1 minus 2, and 3, 1 minus 2, that is negative 1, which we can rewrite it as 1 over 3. So this is our answer, 1 over 3. And then the last part, find x when the inverse of x is equal to 10. So we're going to find the inverse of x first. Our h of x is equal to 3x minus 2, and we can rewrite it as y is equal to 3x minus 2, and then interchanging the variables, we have x is equal to 3y minus 2. Now we're going to have y as the subject of the formula. Using the laws of indices, we can rewrite this as x is equal to 3 to the power of y over 3 to the power of 2. Because remember, the laws of indices says that if we are dividing, then we subtract the exponents. So in this case now we have x is equal to 3 to the power of y over 3 to the power of 2. And 3 to the power of 2 is 9. Cross multiplying this, we have 9x is equal to 3 to the power of y. Now, in order for us to get rid of this exponent, we are going to use logs, or some know it in full as logarithms. And in this case, I'm going to be using the ln function. And by so doing, I end up with y is equal to ln 9x over ln 3. H to the power of -1, x is equal to ln 9x over ln 3. The question is not yet done. We're told that the inverse is equal to 10. Equating our inverse to 10, we have ln 9x over ln 3 is equal to 10. And cross multiplying, we have ln 9x is equal to 10 ln 3. And rewriting the expression, we have ln 9x is equal to ln 3 to the power of 10. Again, rules of indices. We can take this value and we place it right there. So we end up with ln 3 to the power of 10. And cancelling this ln and this ln, we are left with 9x is equal to 3 to the power of 10. And we're left with 9x is equal to 3 to the power of 10 gives us 59,049. Now dividing both sides by 9, we end up with x is equal to 6,561. So this is our final answer, 6,561. So there you have it, guys. This is how you can apply the basics of function into these problems to get whatever you would be asked. I hope you learned something. I'll see you in the next video.